Today I will show you how to change your compressor oil in Starq W3. For this you need to open these 4 screws to remove this cover. Normally it's recommended to change the compressor oil after you have made 50 washes, but as I was checking the instruction manual, there it was written so long your pressure washer is working, there is no need to change the oil. But recently all of a sudden the pressure washer stopped working, so I thought why not change the oil. So that's why I am changing it. It has not been opened for the last 7 years. Let us clean the dust and everything. Now reverse the machine in this way, and here are 4 Allen screws. So for this you need to get number 5. So this is number 5, and with this you need to open the screws. This is not 5. Okay, so this will help you to give a leverage. तो ऐसा एक तो स्पैनर होने से आपको लिए ये ओपन करने में ज़्यादा सुविधा रहेगा. Open crosswise, don't try to open one in one go. Okay, so I have loosened all the 4 screws. Now loosen crosswise. Even after this oil replacement, if you see that your pressure washer is not working, then you may have to replace your this particular pressure valve which is inside this particular area. There lies the oil, but what I see, this particular compressor has got stuck up most probably. This may be the reason why it is not working. The oil is in good condition, but still I will replace it. But still, since I have opened it, I will replace the oil. These are the compressor units that creates pressure. Let's check the oil seals and everything. ऐसे तो सभी ठीक लग रहा है. Wait. Now let us clean all this. Now I will fill it with fresh engine oil. I will be using 0W20 since I had this particular oil with me, as my car uses 0W20, but normally getting 0W20 will be difficult for you. Do not overfill it, otherwise it will create leakage. Now let us reinstall it. While tightening also, it will be crosswise. Remember that. Somebody was suggesting 50 washes, but I changed the oil after 7 years. It depends how much you are using. It is based on that. If you do more washes, it is recommended you do it quicker. Now these areas. Do not over tighten it because these are of antimony body, so the thread may get damaged. तो ज़्यादा टाइटनिंग नहीं करने का, तो फिटिंग हो गया हमारा. तो ऐसे ही आप ऑयल चेंज कर सकते हैं. आपका जो प्रेशर वॉशर है बहुत ही सिंपल, घर में बैठ के. इसके बाद भी अगर आपका मशीन चालू नहीं होगा या प्रॉब्लम होगा तो तब देखिए यहाँ पर एक वो चीज़ है, एक तो नॉन प्रेशर रिटेनिंग वाल्व है, इसको आपको चेंज करना पड़ेगा. अगर आपका ठीक से चल रहा है तो ज़रूरी नहीं है, फिर भी एक बार स्क्रू ड्राइवर से एक बार चेक कर लीजिए. अभी एक बार हम लोग फ़ैन को भी चेक कर लेंगे. विल चेक द फैन. Okay, so the motor is also fine. There are some debris, let me remove it. ऐसे तो Starq वाला मशीन बहुत ही अच्छा परफॉर्म करता है, क्योंकि ये 7 साल में एक बार भी मेरे को ट्रबल नहीं हुआ. तो इवन देयर आर लॉट ऑफ मशीन्स नाउ, but still I will say Starq is a very good machine. I never had any problem with it. Remember, never test this machine without water. Now all the top screws. Remember also, do not over tighten it because this pump body is of antimony. Okay, so the job is over. We'll give a test. So everything is ready. The job is done. In this way you can easily change your compressor oil of this particular Starq W3 pressure washer. The process is more or less same in all this type of pressure washers. And the tools are very simple. Just a number 5 millimeter Allen's key, a screwdriver, and a small spanner for getting extra leverage. That's it. And for the replacement, if you can give 0W20 engine oil, it's better. It's difficult to get in 1 liter. Lighter the oil, it's better.